All right, so last time we met, we looked at adding and subtracting polynomials, okay? So today we're going to start multiplying polynomials, okay? So today we're going to multiply a monomial times a polynomial, right? And I forgot. Okay, so we are going to multiply monomials times polynomials. So refresh my memory. Why is it doing that? Okay, what is a monomial? One term. And a polynomial is many terms, right? So if we have something like 3x times 5x squared plus 7x minus 2, that is a monomial times a polynomial. Okay, so how are we going to simplify that?
Distribute.
Almost. What was it, Liv? Distribute. Yeah, let's distribute the 3x. Right? That means we're going to take the 3x and we're going to multiply everything in the second parentheses times 3x. So we're going to do 3x times 5x squared plus, now it's plus because that's a plus right there, 3x times 7x minus 3x times 2. Okay. Now, some people prefer at the end here to do plus 3x times negative 2. That's okay. Either way is okay. All right. So we've been distributing numbers. We just haven't distributed terms with x's in them before. Okay, so this is really nothing new. We've distributed numbers before, right? So, okay, what is 3x times 5x squared? 15x to the third, right? 3x times 7x, 21x to the second. And then 3x times 2 is 6x. So we're minus 6x and we're done.
Why is it x to the second?
Because we're doing x times x. Right? And that's basically anytime you multiply something times itself, that becomes the exponent, right? Okay, let me have you try one yourself. Sorry. Yeah, it gets a little bit harder. Let's do negative 5x times 10x to the third minus 6x squared plus 4x minus 7. Okay, let you try that one by yourself. Okay, Nico, tell me how to set this up.
Well, I was kind of confused, but I did the negative 5x minus the 10x to the third.
Good, yeah.
And then I did the negative 5x minus the negative, the 6x to the second.
Okay, so you did plus negative 5x times negative 6x squared. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to go plus negative 5x times 4x plus negative 5x times negative 7. So it might be easier for a lot of you to just always use a plus, right? And then just put the negatives inside the parentheses there. All right. So let's see here. Sam, what do we get?
Negative 15x to the fourth.
What's 5 times 10?
Oh, negative 50x.
Negative 50, right. Okay.
Mm-hmm. plus 30x to the third
Good. Yeah. Keep going.
plus 20x to the second
So close.
plus
Minus, because it's a negative times a positive, right? And then the last one, plus 35x. Okay. Who's having some trouble? Who has questions? Okay. Mm-hmm.
Do we have to put this in the order, or is that already?
It should be in order, yes. And this one is already in order, but you should change it in order. Yeah. So what we mean by in order is highest exponent down to lowest exponent. Okay. Okay. Let's step it up a notch. Let's do 6x to the third times 2x to the second minus 8x plus 3. Okay, see if you can do that one. Okay. Kayla, what should I do?
Would you bring down the 6x to the third?
Okay.
And then also bring down the 6x.
Yeah, we're going to distribute it, right? So 6x to the third times 2x to the second, right? And then we're going to go plus 6x to the third times negative 8x. And then we're going to go plus 6x to the third times 3. How are we doing? Good? Okay. D'Angelo, what do I get?
You get 12x to the fifth,
Okay, good.
minus 48x to the fourth,
Uh-huh.
plus 18x.
Excellent. Very good. Okay?
Wait,
Yes.
Is it to the fourth instead of the third? 18x.
No, because the 3 does not have an x. It's just 3. Okay? And try another one of those. Right? They were a little tricky. That one was a little tricky. Okay, so let's do, this time we're going to do negative 2x to the fourth times 5x to the third minus 7x squared minus 4x. Okay, so Annabella, what should I do?
You do negative 2x to the fourth times 5x to the third, and you get negative 10x to the seventh.
Okay,
And then you're going to go negative 2x to the fourth times negative 7x to the second, and you're going to get 14x to the sixth.
okay, so here you're correct. I just want to make sure everyone's careful with this, right? We're going to say plus.
Yeah, you just said plus instead of putting negatives, right?
Right, and that's perfectly fine, right? So then we have a negative times a negative, which is a positive. So what I sense is that some of you are not sure what goes in there, so you're actually kind of avoiding it. You're like, I'm not sure, so I'm just going to kind of just look at this term and then I'll write the answer. Okay, so that can lead to trouble later on by doing that. So we want to make sure we're not avoiding it, because I think this is probably the third time I've heard or not heard that going on, right? So make sure you put a plus in between and then you can put the signs inside the parentheses, okay? You are getting to the right answer. So I know that's frustrating. You're like, I got the right answer, leave me alone, right? You're getting to the right answer, but if we're not understanding and we're just kind of avoiding the issue because we're not understanding it, it's going to lead to trouble later on, okay? So go ahead and put a plus in there and then put your signs inside the parenthesis. Okay, Annabelle, let's finish.
Then you're gonna do plus negative 2x to the fourth times negative 4x, and you're gonna get 8x to the fifth.
Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, questions? How are we feeling with a fist of 5? Okay. All right, I have a worksheet for you. I really thought we were going to have more trouble with this, so this was going to be homework, but you can do it now, and you will most likely finish before